So I've been feeding the birds for a while now and just discovered one of the downsides to feeding birds. So you have large groups of sparrows that come in here, and then you have big birds like blue jays and large blackbirds and all kinds of things. And then there's a few hawks that hang out in the neighborhood. And so anyway, come out and I'm finding all these dead sparrows that are headless. So far I've counted 4. So I had AI help. There's another one right there. And another one down there, and then Angie found one, which was a bad day for me. So AI says that large groups of sparrows tend to be pushy and controlling and overwhelming, and the big blue jays will take their heads off. And apparently this happens all over the country. People find headless birds. So yeah, I'm still gonna feed them. I mean, if the sparrows are dumb enough to hang out with a big monster blue jay around, well then they get what they get. That's nature. I hate to see that, but that's how it works. So I think Angie and I are gonna get in the pool today for our anniversary and just hang out and do nothing. Enjoy the day. Nice breeze blowing.